Wisdom Gym, Life's Compass Mirror. What do you see? Harnessing the power of unity, how collective effort guarantees success. Imagine a world where every individual works with a shared vision. With unity of purpose, success becomes not just a goal, but an inevitable outcome. Consider the hardworking ants. They come together, each doing their bit to store food for winter. Their unity ensures they thrive even in harsh conditions. Unity isn't just for ants. In nature, bees operate with a collective purpose to sustain their hive. Their strength lies in their unwavering teamwork. Take sports teams, for example. Every player, coach, and support staff member works together. Their united effort often leads them to championship victories. Look at successful companies. Employees united by a common goal innovate and grow. Their harmony in purpose transforms visions into achievements. Communities that come together can tackle challenges. Whether rebuilding after disasters or supporting each other, unity fosters resilience and success. In politics, movements driven by shared causes bring change. When people unite for justice or liberation, their collective power becomes unstoppable. Educational groups, when united, achieve remarkable feats. Cooperative learning and shared knowledge foster environments where everyone succeeds. Think of families who support each other. Their unity creates strong bonds. When everyone plays their part, they overcome obstacles together. Unity of purpose is a powerful force. Learn from ants, bees, and humans alike. When we unite, success isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Wisdom Gym, Life's Compass Mirror. What do you see? Like, share and subscribe.